Manufacturers in Connecticut provide components for some of the world's most complex applications in the defense, aerospace, energy, and healthcare industries. Although their end products may differ greatly, manufacturers frequently struggle with similar types of problems. For example, improving machining efficiency with process optimization, or reducing scrap and preventing component failure. The Connecticut Manufacturing Simulation Center, or CMSC, collaborates with Connecticut businesses to address these problems, utilizing advanced modeling and simulation software. Using computer-based design, CMSC experts can model a variety of manufacturing processes, including machining, forming, forging, welding, and casting. Businesses often approach CMSC with a manufacturing problem, a challenge that they haven't been able to resolve or haven't the software or expertise to explore in greater depth. The CMSC team simulates their process to identify potential areas of improvement. Consider this animation showing chip formation for a turning process. Product quality is heavily reliant on machining parameters such as cutting angle and surface speed. Simulations like this one can help customers save time, prevent defects, or eliminate post-processing operations, keeping Connecticut businesses competitive and profitable.
Welcome to the Connecticut Manufacturing Simulation Center, where we derive innovation and efficiency for Connecticut manufacturers in defense, aerospace, energy, and healthcare. Our team specializes in advanced modeling and simulation software to tackle challenges such as machining efficiency and component failure. By simulating processes such as machining, welding, heat treat, forming, and joining, we identify ideas for improvement and optimize production. CMSC's expertise help businesses save time, reduce defects, and eliminate unnecessary operations, ensuring competitiveness and profitability. Join us in advancing manufacturing excellence and maintaining a leading edge in your industry.